Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is clickable wait. Clickable wait is used to make Selenium wait until an element is visible, enabled, not blocked by UI conditions. If an element is visible, it may still be disabled, it may be covered by an overlay. Clicking too early can fail. That's why element to be clickable is safer than just visibility. In real projects, clickable wait is commonly used for buttons, links, menu items, and submit actions. Here in the sample script, if you see, I am trying to click a button immediately after the page load. Even though it looks visible, the click can fail sometimes. So now I am applying a clickable wait. Selenium waits until the element is fully clickable. After that, the click succeeds reliably. So this is how clickable wait makes Selenium actions stable. First, I will run the script and see how it works. First, the login page is loaded. Clickable wait checks readiness. If you see, clickable wait applied successfully. So it is not just visibility, it checks for readiness. Most clickable failures are timing issues. Element to be clickable, if you see here, is one of the most used waits in real frameworks. Visible does not always mean clickable. I will close the application now.